how to restrict outgoing calls to the specific numbers or prefixes only on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, open up your phone application, then tap on the More button at the top, and then choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down, then tap on Supplementary Services. Now here, go down and tap on Fix Dialing Numbers. Then at the top here, tap on Enable FDN and enter in your PIN and tap on OK. Now this is a different PIN to your lock screen PIN. It is PIN 2 that you have previously set. If you did not set it, the default can be 40 or 1234. Now tap on OK. Then after that, tap on FDN list. In here, you can add in the number that you want to allow. So basically, you add the number to the whitelist. Any number in the list here will be able to be called. So you can make outgoing call to all the numbers in the list. Anything that is not in the list will be blocked or rejected. So here, if you tap on Add button and put in a number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, and then tap on Save. We need to enter in the PIN to saved. Okay, so if we go back to the phone app here, and if you try to put in a number that is not in the list, it will not allow you to make the call. Any number that is in the list, you should be able to call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.